Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with ecommerce. So friends, in the previous video we actually set up the whole thing that includes update, basically a CRUD operation that we are creating the new home banner data, we are reading the home banner data, updating the home banner data and deleting the home banner data. So now we actually move fast uh, with our videos, and in the today video we actually gonna create the whole process of size. So basically in every e-commerce or in every like multi-vendor or any single vendor e-commerce, there is there are two attributes which are universal in every product. The first one is color and second one is size. Like this size and color are universal attribute in every product. Like for example you are uploading that product which is a laptop or any other kind of electronics or any other home appliances, in which there must be a size and one should be a size and one should be a color. For example, in I'm talking about my system laptop. So it is in if I'm talking about the size, it should be like RAM 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and in color like gray, black. These are the things. So in today's video we're gonna make the size process and CRUD operation thing. So friends, if you like our video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And if you want to support us, you can also check out this link, or another link is also provided in the description box. You can also go and check out that link as well. So this is the home banner, right? So where we created the home banner, deleted, updated and deleted. So now after the home banner we actually create the size attribute. So just going to the code. mm, where Okay, firstly actually remove all the tabs, close the tabs and just go to the resources, views, components and sidebar. Firstly I cleared the sidebar, then this li, just copy and paste. One more thing, I have to on this, right? Now inside I'll write size, it should be size. Okay, go to the route admin.php. Now creating a size. I'll just copy this and this, and also write what about this size, and this is our home banner, right? I'll just paste this size, size, update size, right? Now we have to create a controller, model and migration. Just php artisan make controller. So the controller should be in app http controllers admin slash size controller slash size controller. Hit enter, right? In place of this I will write size at the size controller. Make sure that it automatically import the size controller path. Just save this, and now we have to create a model and migration. Just simply this php artisan make model size slash m space m, like this. So it creates a model and migration. So simply go to the database migrations and scroll down to the last one. So basically in size we only need a text, right? The size should be 10 GB. The size should be LXL, or the size should be like whatever the size is, basically an attribute which differentiates the product, right? For example, if I'm talking about the RAM and ROM, so the like the size, it should be 12 GB RAM, or the size should be XL. So the size is basically related to a word that is text. So I'll write simply text, right? And make sure that this should be by default nullable. Hmm, text, right? And or we can write one more thing, text and its value. Like if I'm talking about the RAM, but if I'm talking about the RAM, let me check one more thing. Mm, so here we only have a size text. Mm, let me check one more thing in another e-commerce, that what we are setting to the size. Mm, it's this one. So basically size is like this, like anything that is inches in L, MX, XL, and one status, right? So the size should be related to only text value. So I'll complete a string text. Okay, save it and hit the command php artisan migrate. So it created the size table, right? This one. And now we have to add this text in the fillable properties in Moodle. Go to just copy this protected fillable and go to the size, hit enter, this, and paste it there. Like this text. Save it and close it. Close this. Now, as per the admin.php route, right? As if we are seeing that home banner, the things are same, right? One is updating, another one is like showing the data. So I will simply copy that data. Mm, home banner. Okay, now what are the different things that we have to copy? First, this thing, these two things. Okay, I'll copy this thing at once from this to this. Control 3, 1 and 3. Go to the size, 1, 2, 3. So now we have size. This add model size. Just copy this and add it over here, add it over here, and over here. So now admin slash home banner slash home banner, admin slash size, right? So I will just simply copy this, and what we have made the command, that is mm, php artisan make admin data table, right? So I will write it, php artisan make admin data table, then I put a space and the path, that is admin slash size. Hit enter. It created the view. Just check it. Admin slash sorry, actually it creates the admin inside the admin. Hmm, okay, this is admin slash. So I think we don't have to write that admin slash, we simply have to write size slash size. So I will delete this one and also this one, right? So what we'll write? We'll write this thing only, because we already give the path that admin, means that inside that admin folder the following path should be made, right? So I will simply now hit enter. Now it created inside the admin size, right? So go to the home banner and just copy some little things, or I should copy all the things and changes one by one. The one thing that I need, that is first one, create new thing, and this td, after that this model along with script. Go to the size.wait.php. Now after this, in place of new home banner, we have to write size, create size. Now okay, these things are also not changed, so I will copy all, uh, also the table body as well. So going from table to table, copy this, and table to table, paste. So now we have id and we only have text. ID and text, no link, no image. Yes, ID and text, no link, no image. Move the data. So now in the delete section, we have to pass sizes, as I said, yes. Otherwise, it will delete the data of home underscore banner, right? So make sure that you should put the name of the table correctly in the delete data function. After that, we should also remove this and write action. Scroll down, mm, this thing. So now model title, home banner, size, size, update underscore home underscore banner, update underscore size, at the rate csrf, text, and no link, no image. Remove this. Also remove this. Only ID and text, no link, no image. Remove this, remove this, and also remove this. We don't need in the size section. Simply save this. And now in the size also we have, okay, we already use validator. We don't need text and link, but okay, we don't need text and link, sorry, link and image. After that so in the sizes there should not be any kind of image, so I remove this, and there is only text, so I remove rest of the thing that we don't need actually. Just save this and see, refresh, size, click ok, create size. The size should be like medium, small. Save changes, successfully updated. Okay, but why this actually shows the image? Okay, one thing more that I think I actually, yes, this one. I should write size. This one thing that I actually have not changed. So the next thing should be right. Size is okay. I will write RAM for GB. Sorry, for GB. Right. Save changes. Successfully updated. Now it actually refresh the size pages. So when I'm updated, the pre-filled values are there. I will write so save changes. It actually works. And if I'm deleted this, are you sure what to delete this? Yes. Now do you see that how much it is actually quickly to make that whole CRUD operation in just few minutes? So that's why actually it takes little bit more time in the initial stage, but when we complete that initial stage, that if you're looking into our videos, that are 4 videos basically when we are completing the home banner process. But after completing the home banner, we actually it may take hardly 10 to 15 minutes to create a CRUD operation of size. So hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. And if you want to support us, the link is in the description box. Thank you very much.